I didn't look at the old tractors either yet, I don't think. Oh, here it comes. I don't think you can't make it last too long. Because then then you'll have to charge people.
Oh yeah, then.
Oh, they said they want to
go all the way around the parking lot. I think it'll be fun, but it's going to take a long time.
Yeah, then that's full now. Thank God we got on it.
Oh, no, there's no room at all. We had our own seat. Yeah, it's packed. People are catching wind. But it's full one.
Oh, police are coming in here. What the hell? The cops are here.
Uh-oh. I must have found a criminal coming.
Yeah. They're coming.
Then it got flying.
Did he gun it? Yeah, probably like... Looks like a little diesel motor or something. Yeah, the cops came right in. Like, what the hell? Was that fist fight over tools or something?
Yeah, we don't want them like those stalkers.
Yeah.
The train stalkers.